Hey everyone, Michael here. Please make sure to watch the entire video so you guys can actually see what's about to happen. And please consider subscribing if you like the information. Thanks everybody. Alright, today's going to be a much shorter video. It's kind of late for me, so I want to get this over with. But you can see we had the double top, we got rejected, we came back down. We just got rejected 2 days in a row from breaking out, which means it may take 1 or 2 more days for us to curl back around and then try to break out. Now, you guys may be thinking that's bad news. You guys may notice your altcoins are coming down. That is okay because this allows us to breathe up and have a lot less resistance in our way when we actually do break out. If we would have broken out right here, we would have to fight the Fibonacci level, the 20-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average all really close together. And when that happens, we usually end up falling flat and we have a pretty big disappointing breakout. Instead of buying here and a whole bunch of people losing money, what's about to take place, at least I believe, is we're going to take one more final dip, either 1 or 2 more days, then we're going to start to spike back up. We're going to battle the 20-day moving average first, then we're going to fight the top level of the Fibonacci, which is here at about $60,000. After that is when we can really start rocketing and testing out the 50-day moving average. If we can break above the 50, then it's game on. Then we start looking at this larger pattern right here, top of the Fibonacci. Think of it as a level of resistance at all-time highs. After that, what shape we have? We have a pennant. We're just flagging in here. We may test it out again. We're probably going to get rejected right here. We'll come back down, and then we'll go sky high. Now, we may just rip right there. That may happen, but I like to prepare you guys for any inevitability that sometimes, things aren't always as golden peachy as we want it to be. So, right now, swinging around, big pop-off sometime middle of December. That's what I'm looking at right now. Probably with a short-term boom in the first 2 weeks of December, though. So, guys, we're in a very good spot. I know we may have a bad day here today. If we're lucky, whales can come in and push us up. We have seen a little bit of whale activity. That's a good sign. But if they come tomorrow, that's still going to be a good thing as well, guys. So don't feel too panicked if you see the market coming back down. If you guys are looking for a reason to panic or maybe to start shorting, you guys would only want to start panicking if we actually fell down below this green Fibonacci level right here, which is currently at about, let's say, about $54,000. So not too much to be concerned about at the moment. Thanks for watching the entire video, and please make sure to subscribe and like, and if you have any questions, leave them down below and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks again, everybody.